I'm Jason Davis. I'm with D&D Enterprises. We're a third-generation manufacturer that specializes in aerospace, military, firearms, and other industrial products. The company was founded in 1976. It was my father and my uncle who they decided they wanted to start the business and built a little shop outside the house. From there, continued to work that business. 97, moved to a new facility. I graduated college in 99 and decided that I wanted to be involved in the business. Our background has really been aerospace. What really brought us to the Rapidos was getting into the firearm industry, manufacturing AR-style bolts, and that was what really helped us to be competitive and to start to grow in that industry. The Rapidos bring a lot of technology with the dual spindles, the superimposition of the sub-spindle, that along with working to gain efficiencies, working to gain that competitive advantage that we can do things better, we can do things faster. That's really what helped lead us to the Eurotech Rapidos. Right, so as we've grown over the years, one of the things we've really tried to focus on and to keep is our family atmosphere. And we want to make sure that employees are taken care of and that we're providing a good environment for them and for growth. And with that, what we've really challenged ourselves to do is to continue to grow. It's easy to get to a certain point and everybody's kind of satisfied. What we want to do is continue our growth over the next several years and help our employees to grow and mature personally, but also financially. I think with Manufacturing America, the thing that we got to realize is we're not competing against other shops in our city. We're not competing against other shops in our state or even other shops inside this country. We've got to make sure that we're looking and helping each other locally, because we're competing on a global stage and we're competing against other countries that, in the end, we want to see America succeed. We want to see our states succeed and we want to see our cities succeed, and that starts with each individual company.